Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your Instagram when you cannot add post to your story or the add post to your story option is missing. So let me show you an example. So if I tap this share option right over here, it says add post to your story and you can add the post to your Instagram story. But in some cases, the option add post to your story will not show. One of the main reasons for this is because the post you are trying to share may be from a private account. So if it is a post from a private account, you cannot add the post to your story. But if it is from a public account, you can add the post to your story. But if it is a public account and the option is still missing, what you can do is go to your Play Store or App Store and then search for Instagram. Now you can try updating the app, and once it's updated, the problem might have been fixed. But if the problem is still there, what you can do is go to your settings, then go to apps, then search for Instagram. After that, try force stopping the app, then go to storage and cache and try clearing both of the storage and cache memory. Now open Instagram and re-log into your account. And now in most of the cases the problem will be solved. So that's how you fix add post to your story option missing on your Instagram. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.